Hello and welcome my 8th class student in the online learning class of computer. This is your computer teacher Priyanka ma'am. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So student, in today video we will start the new chapter. Actually this chapter is interconnected with the earlier two chapters. We did till now 3 chapters, you know very well. Networking, in that we have done what are the types of network, routers, gateways, different type of cables which we use. Okay, in the next chapter, that was chapter number 2, introduction to access. Access means MS Access. So what things you have done? Remembering, we have done what is data, okay, table, database, RDBMS, okay, relational database management system, then primary key. And in third chapter we have done tables in Access, how to design the table in data sheet view, in design view. Okay, different views are there, different type of data types which we use. So into whatever chapter we are going to start today, in that chapter we will do 5 important things. First one, sorting, filtering, okay, then we will do designing form, report generation, and then query. Okay, but before it, what are the 2 important things you have to do? You have to like the video and you have to subscribe my channel also to get the notification about new videos. Okay students, so let's start today. So student, today we will do chapter number 4, advanced feature of Access. Okay, in that first of all we will do what we will do: sorting, filtering, okay, and searching data in Access. So first of all student, if you are having your books, then please open it. Okay, with me only you can continue. Similar to an Excel sheet, you can also sort and filter data from a table. Okay, how we will do sorting data in table? First of all, we will create table in MS Access. Then sorting data will arrange the rows in ascending or descending order and respect to a given field. To sort, follow the following step. First of all, you understand what is sorting. Sorting means arranging the data in ascending or descending form. I think in maths you did this. Ascending means smallest to largest, and descending means largest to smallest. Like if I want to arrange in alphabetical order, so I can arrange A to Z also and Z to A also. Okay, so this is called sorting. Like if you are having the 10 records and you want that it arrange from the A alphabet, then B, then C, then D, like this. And if you want to do it opposite, then you can arrange from Z, then okay, Y, then X, like this. So first of all, though, you should understand that how we can open this option. First of all, you have to go to home tab. Okay, student, you can underline. If the steps will come to write, you can directly write like this. Go to home tab. Okay, then you can click on sort and filter group. You can see and filter is written, sort is there, sort and filter group. Okay, and then you can click on ascending or descending to sort the table. Clear? You can click on ascending or descending. Both options are there. Ascending means A to Z and descending means Z to A. This you have to keep in mind. Clear? Ascending and descend. Then how we will do? Direct method is also there, which you can apply from the field. Like this field is there, you can right click on this field. First of all, select the field on which you want to sort. Click on the drop down arrow next to the field name. Select sort smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest. Both options are there. The table will be sorted accordingly. Okay, so easy steps are there. First of all, you have to go to home tab. You can see this home tab. There is written sort and filter group. You can see this sort and filter group. There is written ascending or descending. I will show you by increasing the size, then it will clear to you. Okay, you can see beta, sort and filter is there, then ascending and descending, it is under the home tab. So this is your step of sorting. Clear? Now we will do filtering. Okay student, filtering the data. For filtering the data, what are the important steps you have to do? The same. You have to go to home tab. You will write, if the question will come, how to filter a data. So simply you can write, go to home tab. Okay, click on sort and filter group and then select filter option. Your selected field will be filter. Now first of all, understand what do you mean by filter. Filter is used to display a selected number of records based on one or more condition. जैसे बेटा आपने 50 रिकॉर्ड्स बनाए बट यू वांट टू शो ओनली 5 रिकॉर्ड्स, सो वेयर यू विल हाइड, you can hide this record under the particular column by using the filter option. Okay, so how you can do this filtering? Simple, you can just click on the drop down arrow. ये आपका बेटा डायरेक्ट मेथड है, ठीक है. क्लिक ऑन द ड्रॉप डाउन एरो एंड देन ऑन द फील्ड हेडिंग, जो भी आपकी फील्ड की हेडिंग है, यू कैन सी दिस हेडिंग लाइक ईमेल आईडी, whatever heading is there, you can click on this. Then click on select all option to deselect all the checkbox from the filter section. Click on the checkbox for record you want to filter. अब इसमें बेटा एक important term है filtering, ठीक है. फिल्टर करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, चेक बॉक्स. लाइक यू कैन सी दिस, आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू, लाइक दिस boxes will be there. Okay, for like you have entered in a field 10 records, so before every record this type of box is there, like first is Ram, okay, then Joy, okay, then another name is there, okay, like Vijay. So if you are checking the first box and third box, so only these two will be display, this will be hide. Okay, this option, this particular option will not there, only these two data will be on your table. Okay, so whatever you want to hide, that you can uncheck, whatever you want to show, that you can check, so that box will appear. So I hope you understand both the option. Once again, just I want to tell you, sorting is used to arrange the data from ascending or descending order, in ascending or descending order, and filtering is used to display only selected data. It will hide all the data, only it will show the data which you have checked box. Okay, so in today video we have done sorting and filtering. On the basis of this, only 2 questions I will give you today in the assignment, so beta please complete it, and then we will continue in the next video. Till then, take care, good.